Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add a customer here in Zoho Books. Alright, so first up, log into your Zoho Books account. Now go to the left panel and click on Sales. Okay, click on it and here you have the Customers section. Click on Customers. Now just go to the top right and click on New. Now in here, select if the customer is a business or an individual. Primary contact, Mr., Mrs., Miss, or Doctor. Okay, Mrs. maybe Rhea. Alright, bar right here. Company name, I'm just going to go ahead and add in Made for Money. And display name, Mrs. Rhea, bar right here. Email address and the phone number. Okay, now customer language, I'll select the correct language. Now go to tax rate right here, or the order details, select tax. If you have created tax right here under your settings. Okay, select the correct currency, opening balance, payment terms, like so. If you want to enable the portal, okay, you can go ahead and tick on this option and upload some necessary documents for this specific customer. Okay, if you want to add in more details, click on Add More right here, like the website, department designation, Skype number, and Facebook. Now, do not forget about these tabs like address. Okay, add in their billing address and shipping address. Now, whenever you add the billing address right here, you can just easily click on Copy Billing Address, so you won't type everything again right here. Contact person, custom fields, reporting tags, and remarks. Okay, once that's done, head on Save right here, and your new customer will be added. You can click on one customer and add in a new transaction right here, like an invoice, customer payment link, code, you name it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.